Skew Bodies.
Hai mezete kwabuze se musa
nagari cyane
ma iminsi myinshi ba
cyane Esiniga amakuru iminsi
ni myinshi kabisa
auroro wakwereka iminsi urumva gusoma baby ndayivuga bikigerero basige bafite imyitwarire
kagira inkuru se musa
ajya kuvuga directrice urumva directrice no yajya kuvuga nka directeur ni director secretary wa undi utwandikira hari ya wamubaza ngo uvuye he akavuga aho kuvuga secretary amvuye kwa secretary
umva musaza none nkufitiye inkuru yakataraboneka
iyo nkuru ndayikeneye
turanye rwa mashongosho
ndahibuka
nyine mu cyaro nyine twe turihingira imyumbati n'ibijumba n'ibishyimbo
ndayibuka
noneho nari nuranye nyine n'umukobwa bita kabebe
yizobani ndamwibuka kabisa
uwo mubebe stase ewani yarahingaga ewani ajya noneho mu mujyi igihe kiraza kugera ajya mu mujyi
iyo nkuru ndumva iri buryohere
irakuryohera se n'ibiryo
nta kibazo rero komeza
we kugira amashyushyu ewani noneho rwa macyongo cyo mu cyaro birababaje cyane yaragiye mama we ewani aracyacyana ateye kuki arambura ikirago
umukeka cyane umusaga
ibyo urabyivugira ni ikirago noneho umukobwa bashyira isine kunoza ku kirago bamaje gushyira isine ku kirago umukobwa ariyicara yicaye imyumbati akazayijugunya
mama we bari gusangira
kabisa n'ibijumba agatera ahita avuga ngo mama ngo mami ngo ibishyimbo atera suzi ngo ntabwo ajya birya turumvikana amaso ye tumvikana je ntago ncika
ndabyumva nyine ntago ngucika
umva ariko narabanza no kukubwira nje ideni mfiti sheba nje ndabanza
umva nyine oya jewe umva nyine
nta kintu wazumbwira sheba
amafaranga yawe
nayanjye simbiyobewe naraguhara ayanjye sheba sora ugiye kuburara si waje wabaye mwera kubera inzara sheba ya mico si myiza nshaka amafaranga yawe
reka maye mwibutse
unyibutse narabuze ubwanjye bwibutsa karara uboshywe uburara ibiki
we kwikora ugiye kurya
sheba nureba hanga
wowe ayo mafaranga urumva weya cyane cyane
arambwenya gwe ntabwo nasubizaho ntabwo nasubizaho ntabwo nasubiza ubusaga akiko nazana
umva nje sheba
umva umbwire sheba sindi igipfamatwi sindi n'intumwa nabumvaga ibyo mwavugaga uyaje kuzanira amafaranga sheba ndayashaka sheba yame sheba ushobora kuyama yame sheba
umva noneho urumva wewe cyane ndibuze kugura n'igituzi sibyo
igituzi arangura igituzi ibyo by'igituzi tubyihorere nshaka amafaranga
noneho umva cyane noneho ubwiye sibyo twangurisha amafaranga si byari ku neza interest urayizi interest ubwo noneho nyine n'amafaranga ari nyongera ndi bukongere noneho ukuntu biri bugende wowe ubu kwamiye hano sibyo
wamira nk'ikiradiyo cyapfuye
sibumba umunani
ni ibihumbi umunani
rero noneho ndaguha ibihumbi 10 sibyo weguma hano urumva nshobora no gutera intambwe ebyiri nkahita nza nkayagura
ndabyumva
none wowe jyewe ubugumye hano jyewe ndashinyagura wegumye unegereze urumva niyo bwakira bugaca
izi ko wa muntu wagira ngo yaraneye imiti ari he sheba ari he izi ko nsigaye ku giti nk'urutoryi kamukurikirana abantu hano uyu munsi ewa none pasiteri nta n'ikintu yaza atubwira
turamuca yatwakaga abaturo benshi
mu gakiza
kenshi cyane
kabisa n'agasura kawe kari mu gakiza
umwuka
uve muri
utitira pasiteri yaje bana pasiteri yono icyongereza
wijuri intumbi zizo
Mundira pata wala pata
wijuri intumbi zizovuga wijuri intumbi zizovuga
pasta
ala pasta ay manika
ay
how are you I'm fine French what about you
we come from to pray
now you wait for me so now I have a song to sing for you.
Yeah.
I have a song to sing for you. If I see you, quickly. Wait for. Yeah. If I see you, I feel my body. I feel my body.
Your body
away.
Not me, my body, your body.
Because the God bring the Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit.
Karavuga gati ijuri intumbi zizovuga ijuri intumbi zizovuga
ubuzi intumbi cyangwa indundi
I say ijuru intumbi zizovuga abapfuye bazavuga nubwo turi hano ku isi tuzovuga ayiwe mwijuru intumbi zizovuga mwijuru intumbi zizovuga ayiwe mwijuru intumbi zizovuga
zizavuga nyine ese urabyemerera
so I ask you one question.
Yes.
If you answer me yes, I give a price. That price is 100. You understand?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, who can tell me a capital city of Kenya? Me. You tell me. Kenyatta? Stupid.
Me,
I ask you.
Yes.
Give me
tell me a capital city of Burundi.
Oh, Pastor. Petero Nkurunziza. Yeah.
Come and tell you. I said that you
Yes.
and you we vote me, you are stupid.
One question, Pastor.
Because
Yes.
wait for
stupid ngo turabana beza.
yes.
No.
I tell you are good. You are a good guy. Because you are stupid, you are a good guy. So continue. I ask another question.
Yes. Me.
Capital city of Rwanda.
Rwandese.
You are crazy.
You are
Yes, Pastor.
You are crazy because
Pastor. Yes. Rwandese kabisa.
push nigga. So I go give you. I don't give a price.
Why?
That price I don't give you because for all you are failed. Wait for. Wait for.
So there is an agreement between pastor and the Christian. So that was maybe here at our school. So we perform different activities like church activity and everyday life. So thank you very much. We can clap for them. Yeah. So it's a kind of now we are going to introduce ourselves. So I'm going to welcome the acting head teacher to welcome our head teacher Doth.
And the staff, even the students, to help me to welcome our visitors. The first time to welcome visitors from UK, as we have a good partnership with Mike. That is very appreciated. We are very happy to welcome this new team that's brought by Mike. So feel at home, feel free. You are very, very welcome.
Okay, now we can welcome first of all Catherine and then Mike. Yeah, Catherine to say something.
Thank you.
Contact us.
What's the matter?
First for me, I'm called Peter. I study in secondary school, level 6, mathematics, economics, and my hobbies. I like to play comedy, film. Also, I need to filmmaker. Yes, filmmaker, like a DJ. So, others I like to play volleyball. So, that is, I think so. There is enough next year.
Okay, I'm Joe. Joe, and I'm 18. Yeah, I'm in my last year of sixth form, so before I go to college, I'm in the final year, so I'm doing my final exams this year, and then going on to college. I like playing football a lot, and also do boxing as well. Boxing, yes.
I'm Sam, I'm 16. I'm in the year below him, so I've got 2 years of studying before I go to university. Yeah, so that's after school.
Abanyamazungu none wasaze. The son of Simon.
First of all, the beginning of talk about the introduction. After they asking the question between them. I study in the level 6 in the secondary school. I studied the mathematics, physics, and geography. I finished this year.
So, usually we speak only 15 minutes.
Yes.
My name is I don't go to school anymore. I work instead. So when I was at school, I finished my GCSEs. But I could stay at school or I could leave to work. I chose to go work. I'm Jax. I'm in year 12, which is like the year before me. So year 12 and year 13 then I'll leave. I study geography, biology, history.
I'm a student, yeah.
What do you do? Subject?
I got sport and product design. What are yours? What do you do? Mathematics.
Why did you
I wasn't very good at science.
Is that like class? Right, year 12, so I've got 2 more years of studying before I take my exams, so then I can go to university. Are you in the top class? So I
Corrupt.
That's nice. What other ones do you know?
When you leave, I swear I can't breathe. Do you really care, baby? Even one day you're on my side.